Tens of millions of Americans are traveling across the U.S. despite restrictions in over 20 states. There are fears the holiday rush will result in a surge of COVID infections. More than 326,000 Americans have been killed by this virus, and the projections put the death toll at over 500,000 by April. So there's a push to get the vaccine out to as many as possible. Here's Jennifer Johnson.
Ignoring repeated warnings from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, an estimated 85 million Americans are on the move this Christmas time. One traveler was shocked at what she saw at Chicago's O'Hare Airport.
If you could see my mouth, I was gasping because it's big. There's a lot of people here.
Experts fear this holiday may be a real-time super spreader event. Shopping malls have been packed, even in Los Angeles County, while there are no ICU beds in all of Southern California.
Certain stores that we wanted to go to were like 2-hour-long lines.
Doctors are horrified at scenes of packed crowds as new cases of COVID-19 in California push past the 2 million mark, the first state to record such staggering numbers.
I expect to see some of those folks in our hospital, and it's only going to add to the numbers that we are already seeing.
Over 100,000 Americans are spending this Christmas Eve in the hospital battling COVID-19.
We're only going to get through this okay if we abandon selfishness.
Operation Warp Speed is working to get as many people vaccinated as quickly as possible. Over 1 million first doses have already been administered. Officials say they're ahead of the curve.
We are on track to allocate another 4.5 to 5 million next week, which will bring us to 20 million doses of vaccine allocated to America before the end of the year.
Many on the front lines are going on the offensive. In Pittsburgh, former Steelers football player Mike Logan, who had COVID-19 in June, is joining healthcare workers going door to door, encouraging residents to get vaccinated.
The Moderna vaccine was created by an African-American woman.
Did not know that.
Yeah, I know. That's on the download.
The federal government just purchased another 100 million doses of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine as hospitals brace for the post-holiday weeks ahead. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.